Comodo MyDLP Training by Vistasparks Solutions and Master Advanced Data Loss Prevention, DLP, Endpoint Security, and Sensitive Data Protection with our comprehensive Comodo MyDLP training program. Learn how to monitor, detect, and prevent unauthorized data transfers while securing enterprise endpoints and sensitive business information using the powerful Comodo MyDLP platform. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations strengthen data governance, compliance management, insider threat protection, and endpoint security across enterprise environments. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services.